Good morning, every viewers. This video belongs to standard 9, and chapter is that the physical features of India. The physical features of India, and the subtopic is that the great desert, the great Indian desert, and this desert is also considered as the third desert. So during this video, we will focus on the condition of Thar desert, the features of Thar desert, and what are the physical and geographical scenario of Thar desert. So first of all, the Thar desert are situated in the western margin of the country, mainly this region of India. These regions of India where Thar deserts are found. Okay? This is the areas where Thar deserts are found. Today we will discuss on this Thar desert that are found in the Rajasthan state. So the Thar desert lies towards margin of Aravalli hills. Here it is, Aravalli hills are found, already you understood. So western margin means Aravalli mountains of Western. This is the western margin. So this is the western margins of Aravalli hills, and in this region where the means the western margin of the Aravalli hills where Thar desert may started. Thar desert may started. So then Thar desert is situated western margins of the Aravalli hills, and the other features of this desert is that it have undulating surface. Undulating surface means curvature surface, means up and downward surfaces. So it is undulating surfaces, and it is also lowland, and where the amounts of sand is very higher, so it is also considered as the sandy plains. Okay, and in this desert, which is the Thar desert, which covered with sand dunes. Sand dunes means Baluka stup. Sand dunes means Barkhand also. So in these regions, in this Thar desert, where a lot of sand dunes are found, and that are very commonly in approximately western parts of this desert. So this is the main features of the desert, and now we will concern over the climatic conditions of this Thar desert. If we concern on the climatic conditions, then rainfall is very scanty here, and in these regions means this Thar desert receives very low rainfall. Very low rainfall below 150 mm. 150 mm means 15 centimeter also. Below 15 centimeter rainfall occurred in this region, receives these regions. Only 15 centimeter of rainfall received by this Thar desert, which are very minimum and scanty. So the receiving rainfall is very low, very below. So it is also considered as the arid climate. It is considered as the arid climate, and due to low rainfall, due to lower rainfall, below 15 centimeter of rainfall. So here it is lower coverage, low vegetation coverage are found, which are the another features of this desert. Okay. So this is the climatic conditions and the conditions of natural vegetation, which are very low. Both of these conditions is very lower sands. When we consider on the temperature of this region, in these regions where higher temperatures are found during the day, while during the night it have cooled down. So during the day in summer where 50 degrees temperature recorded in the daytime, and while in the night time same day in these regions where 25 degrees C of temperature, 30 degrees C of temperature. So this is the great diversifications are found in the temperature of day and night. So these are the another features, these are the climatic features of the Thar Desert. Apart from this, if we concern over the presentation of river, the availability of river, then we find that very little numbers of rivers, very few numbers of rivers are found here. Why? Because a lot of sands are deposited there, and on sand waters are disappeared very commonly. So stream appeared and rainfall is very lower here. So only 15 centimeter of rainfall are found here. So streams are appeared during the rainy season only. Rainy season means the season when a lot of rains are occurred here, received here. So in this rainy seasons where some streams are appeared, but this is not so steady. But soon after these water sources, these streams or rivers disappear into the sand, as they do not have enough water to reach the sea. Means in these regions where only one river, one main river, namely Luni are flown this river and flown these regions, areas, and because of these rivers have Luni and other rivers have very little amount of water, so this river falls into a lot of sand that are found in this region. Okay. Next features that are very commonly are found in this region, they are considered as the sand dunes. So sand dunes, which are also considered as a Barkhan, and Barkhan is a crescent-shaped dunes. Crescent means moon which have crescent shape, like this type of shapes are found. Moons are also found in this type of sand, and wind are deposited sand, and like a crescent, like shaped on. That is due to the blowing of wind, and that carried by the sand particles and deposited them and create a crescent-like moon, crescent-like shape, and this shape is considered as a Barkhan. So this Barkhan covered a large areas. Means in this Thar Desert, where large areas where Barkhans are available on large areas, but longitude, these are also considered as the longitudes, and these longitudes, these Barkhans which have higher shapes and which some prominent in the regions where Indo-Pak boundary, means these regions, it is the India, it is the Pakistan. So between these boundaries of the Indo-Pakistan boundaries, between these boundaries where here in the Jaisalmer towns are found. So in closer to the Jaisalmer region where a lot of crescent-shaped dunes, means Barkhan, are found prominently. So these are the another features of the Thar Desert. So for standard 9th, these matters are very sufficient for understanding the Thar Desert, that are the that are the one of the most important features of physical features of the country, physical divisions of the country. So, student, I hope that you will understand these features, this phenomenon that are the main parts of the main features of the third desert. So, these features are finished now, and on the next classes, on next videos, we will discuss our next topics, next subtopics. Okay, thank you very much.